Hello everyone, so welcome back to my education topic. So today we are going to discuss about Node.js. What is the Node.js? Let's type Node.js. So we quickly go into the Node.js website. So here that is the basic information which Node.js giving us and little explanation. What is Node.js? Node.js is a free open source cross platform JavaScript runtime environment that lets developers create servers, web applications, command line tools, and scripts. So we can download from here. Download Node.js. We can downloads from here, and we can go to download here also. And this is showing some commands over here. Okay, and it's a Windows installer version .msi. It's a binary form, and you can read some documentation also. Like here we can see multiples packages here, I guess. So let's go to check some concept, like just buffer. So what is the buffer? So Node.js given a documentation for buffer. So you can read all the classes, all the blob class, buffer class, all the methods are explained here. So these are the some topics given by the Node.js. So let's go to the Node.js learning. Okay, so and with this in this video I will show you the program as well, hand to hand. Okay, so just be calm and try to maintain a patience. Okay, so first go to introduction. So what is Node.js? So Node.js is an open source server environment. It's a free and it's runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix. Node.js uses JavaScript servers on the server. Let's go to the modules. What is the module in Node.js? So consider so the modules is nothing but it's a JavaScript libraries, and inside the libraries are a set of functions we can include in our applications, and some built-in modules also available in the here. To include a module we can use require function, and require function we can use like this. So HTTP is nothing but it's a library where we import, where we install in our project, and we can use like this HTTP. And with the help of HTTP we can create a server, and like on our backend APIs we can create a server, and we can start building all our APIs. Okay, so okay, so let's go to the another path. Like this is my another project which I was working on. So let's go to the fresh thing. New window, go to the Visual Studio. So you can install this Visual Studio. So it's very helpful to build the project. Open folder. So actually I'm trying to create another new project. What we can say here, what we can say here, my node project. So this is my project name. I have selected this folder here, and go to the terminal. This is my terminal. So I will place this terminal in right side. So go to the panel position, click on right. So you can see the terminal opened in the right position. Okay, so first we will create some JS files here. So what we can say, so it's a hello world kind of thing. Okay, so let's create server. So we are creating server here. It's JS. Okay, and so here we are using require function. So first need to install the HTTP package. Okay, to create the server. So npm I HTTP. So you can see here I'm installing the HTTP package. So let's create package. So when I install the HTTP package, you can see the node modules folder generated here, and some package dot some another file generated package log.json and package.json. So this is the dependency. You can see the HTTP modules here. Okay, so create server. So let's write a code inside the create server.js. Okay, so just copy paste this thing over here. Okay, and another one. So we are using create server. We are using create server method, which is available in our HTTP HTTP what we can say library. Okay, so this is a common JS module. We don't need to convert this. Okay, so I want to run that. So npm, okay, no, sorry, node create server. So when I enter this command, so my create server.js should we create the server. Okay, so I'm just adding a console. If my server is created, then console log should be printed. Okay, so just again, and I need to run this node create server. I think it's not printed. Okay, let me add another console after the code. Console.log, and here hello, just only, and go to here, control C, clear, not create hello. Okay, so it's printing, but it's not creating the server. So let us check why it's not creating a server. Okay, so my first module is run example. So let's go to here, what is showing here currently. Okay, my first module. So what is my first module? What is the DT? What is the DT here? This is the module my DT create HTTP create server time. The didn't contains 10. Okay, so here is a function which returns the date, and okay, so let's create some other function which can return the date.js. Okay, so just copy this code over here, and go to here, and where dt equals to require, sorry, date. Okay, so let's go to again the console and try to run the code. Hello is printed, but another thing is not printed. Request req extend. So after this was not printing here. So the date and time we are able to write at. So let's put this here. Okay, so let's run another command and install. Okay, npm install stp. And let's run another command. Hello is printed. Okay, so it's not working. So let's go to the ChatGPT. So I'm showing you how the things working on the industry in our industry. So let's put here and telling command to the ChatGPT. This is my code and it's printing hello in console only, not creating server. Okay, let's see what the ChatGPT is giving us. Okay, Node.js can't find module, it is missing. Already used. So what you can do? Listen. Add 0. Let's go to the 3001. Okay. No. Let's see. It's a comment. It is that. See. Let's see what we need to. Okay. Okay, it's already using, but if it's already using, why it's not printed here? Let's go to another time. Let's print it. Okay, so it's taking okay, so let's go to the what is the server 3001. Let's go to localhost 3001 enter. Okay, so as you can see, hello world is printed here, the data here, and server is created. So our mission pass for the, so we have successfully created a server using the what is Node.js. So that's all from today, and we will meet in next video with new topic. So then up now, thank you, bye.